English with Learn with DreamWords, Part 8.
Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Microwave. Microwave. Oven. Oven. Stove or cooktop. Stove or cooktop. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Blender. Blender. Toaster. Toaster. Coffee maker. Coffee maker. Electric kettle. Electric kettle. Mixer. Mixer. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. Slow cooker. Slow cooker. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Air fryer. Air fryer. Juicer. Juicer. Waffle maker. Waffle maker. Grill. Grill. Deep fryer. Deep fryer. Sandwich maker. Sandwich maker. Hand mixer. Hand mixer. Water purifier. Water purifier. Popcorn maker. Popcorn maker. Electric griddle. Electric griddle. Steamer. Steamer. Plates. Plates. Bowls. Bowls. Cups. Cups. Cutlery. Cutlery. Pots and pans. Pots and pans. Cooking utensils. Cooking utensils. Chopping board. Chopping board. Knife set. Knife set. Mixing bowls. Mixing bowls. Colander. Colander. Peeler. Peeler. Grater. Grater. Tongs. Tongs. Can opener. Can opener. rolling pin, rolling pin, sieve, sieve, thermometer, thermometer, garlic press, garlic press, pizza cutter, pizza cutter, ice tray, ice tray, paper towel holder, paper towel holder, trash can, trash can, plastic wrap, plastic wrap, aluminum foil, aluminum foil, bottle opener, bottle opener, ice cream scoop, ice cream scoop, mortar and pestle, mortar and pestle, mandolin slicer, mandolin slicer, basting brush, basting brush, cake pan, cake pan, muffin tin, muffin tin, measuring jug, measuring jug, slotted spoon, slotted spoon, kitchen shears, kitchen shears, steak knives, steak knives, Tupperware, Tupperware, Dutch oven, Dutch oven, ice bucket, ice bucket, lemon zester, lemon zester, crepe pan, crepe pan, tortilla press, tortilla press, cheese slicer, cheese slicer, spice rack, spice rack, cupcake liners, cupcake liners, salad bowl, salad bowl, food mill, food mill, meat tenderizer, meat tenderizer, roasting pan, roasting pan, double boiler, double boiler, tart pan, tart pan.
Thanks for watching. See you later.